All right, so first things first, let's look at what we've got with our drone. So we've got our case here. Open it up, and there are a few things in here. So we've got the drone. The drone, first of all, has a cover over the gimbal. So you just pull that little tab at the bottom. Then you unfold its wings. These ones, the bottom ones, fold like that. The other ones fold out. And you've got your drone. You've got the controller. So right now, you'll notice there's nothing here. Those are on the back. You actually have to take them off the back and then gently screw those on. Don't over tighten them, but make sure that they're tight enough. Okay, so now you've got your controller. You've got a battery charger, which can charge multiple batteries at one time. And you just snap that in like that. It charges through USB-C right there, so any USB-C charger can do that. And then to install the battery, you just take it, make sure where it says 249 grams ultralight, that's on the bottom, and then just do that. Also on the drone, you've got a little micro USB, so whenever you take pictures or video, that will be saved on that little tiny micro USB, or micro SD card, micro SD card. And that is the tour of the drone. Actually, one more thing, to turn it on, you tap this button once and then hit it again and hold it down. So tap and then hold, and now it's on. And to turn it off, you tap and then hold again, and it will turn off. Well, if I would do it right anyway. There we go. Same thing with the controller. Turn it on, power button, tap, and then hold, and it'll start turning on. To turn it off, you do the exact same thing, tap and then hold.